Hey guys, it's Treya, and today I'm going to be showing you how to apply a wig and make it look natural. Now you guys, I am just getting into the whole lace wig, trend going on. So this is actually my first wig. So I would consider this a tutorial for beginners if you're just trying to feel it out. If you're new to the whole thing like I am not a professional. So this is just basically what I did to get the wig to look natural. So first and foremost, I'm using this wig that I received from Premier Lace Wigs. All of the details and information will be in the description box, but this wig includes 3 combs and adjustable straps in the back. But like I said, all of the information on the wig will be in the description box. So my natural hair is protected. I have it actually in flat twist, and then I just put the wig cap over top. To get my wig to lay flat, I'm going to be using 2 products. I'm going to be using the Got To Be Glued Blasting Freeze Spray and the Got To Be Glued Styling Gel. So I did a total of 2 layers of the Got To Be Glued Styling Gel, and I just applied it around the perimeter of my head. Now what I found that was really important to do was to allow the gel to get tacky. So the wig will not stick, it will have a hard time sticking if the gel isn't tacky. So I did go ahead and fan the gel until it was nice and tacky, and then I went in and applied the second layer of gel. By doing the second layer, it really helped my wig to stick. So I definitely recommend doing more than 1 layer of gel when you're trying to use the Got To Be Glued Styling Gel. Now that's just a tip from one beginner to another. After I applied the second layer, I used the Got To Be Glued Blasting Freeze Spray, and that just reinforced that gel. Make sure you give that time to dry before you apply the wig. Just another pro tip. Now to apply the actual wig, all I did was plop the wig on my head and then adjusted it to where I wanted the wig to lay before I stick it down with the glue. Oh, another pro tip for you. Make sure that you put the hair in a ponytail, because if not, the hair will be all over the place. So, pro tip for you. So I didn't bother too much with the combs. All I did was grab that lace and then stick it right over top of that gel. To help the wig stay down, I did go and grab my comb, and I just used it to help push down that lace onto the glue. And then I just repeated this step all around the perimeter of my head. I also did reinforce that with my fingers to help push it down some more. So now I'm using my blow dryer on the cool setting in combination with my fingers to help the wig to lay down and help the glue to dry a little bit quicker. To ensure that my wig stays down, I am going to go in with my satin scarf and just apply it around the perimeter of my head. Now I left this scarf on for about 30 minutes, and it actually laid the wig down really nicely. So pro tip. To make the wig look a little bit more natural, I did go in and define the parting. Now I do want to make note that I did not bleach the knots on this lace. Like I said, I am new to this and I'm just beginning, so I didn't really want to experiment that much, but I do think the steps that I did take allowed the wig to still look natural. But in the future, I do plan to experiment a little bit more and become a real pro. But until then, we're going to fake it till we make it. So after I defined the parting off camera, I did tweeze it a little bit more so that I actually have a part and it actually looks like a part. So I did do that. I'm not done with the part just yet, but right now all I'm doing is brushing out the hair, and then I'm going to go in and add some layers. Now back to the part, I did go in and apply some foundation just to help it look a lot more natural. With this wig in particular, there are only 3 inches of parting space, so I wasn't able to get a long defined part like I would have liked, but it's okay because I think the wig still turned out really nicely. Alright guys, so here is the final look. Let me know how I did for this being my first time. I know I could have did some other things to help it look a lot more natural, but again, I am just beginning this whole lace wig thing. So let me know how I did in the comments down below. And again, all of the information for this wig will be in the description box, so make sure that you check it out. And I just want to thank Premier Lace Wigs for sponsoring this video. So yeah guys, I hope that you enjoyed, and if you have any questions, comments, suggestions, anything, you can leave them below, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys!